Hello, my name is Vladimir Shohes. I'm the director of Scanergy GmbH. Today, I would like to present you our new product called BAKEMETER. The BAKEMETER is a web system for R&D and quality control departments in food industry. With BAKEMETER, you can learn your product, collect complete and objective data, and ensure consistent product quality. The BAKEMETER is using our N1 multispectral 3D scanner. The scanner captures the 3D shape and the color of the product and calculates crucial product parameters, including height, volume, area, color, and glossiness. The BAKEMETER also detects out-of-spec product and sorts it out. This data and the product images are stored in the database for later analysis. The BAKEMETER works for the whole range of food products, from biscuits to bread, pizza, and baguette, and the results are available in seconds. BAKEMETER by Scanergy. Digitize it.